This is a tutorial on how to use the Elementor Library. So you can see here the basic page. Down the bottom you'll have a widgets area where you can add your widgets that are out on the side here, or you've got the folder which holds your blocks, pages and templates. So we're going to add the block first. You can see here there's different options. Some are pro, which obviously you've got to have the pro version, and there are also some good ones on the free. So let's just add this one here for our first example. So the blocks are quite easy. You can add them in there and then they all come in, and you can alter the background, the image, the text and everything from there. And also we have the option of adding pages. So this adds more than just one block or a complete layout in there. So you can see the pro versions down here, and let's just have a quick one of, let's insert this one. You can also have a look here and you can see what elements are in that page, so you can remove any of those or keep whatever you want out of there. So you can either do that, you can go back to the library here, we can insert from here. I'll click back to the library, so let's insert that one. And it asks you the option, apply the settings of this page to. This will overwrite the design, layout, and other settings of the page you're working on. So this means that if you are wanting to overwrite what you already had there, so that block and the bit of text above that we have on the page, if we apply this, this will overwrite it. If we don't apply, that will keep it and it'll just have it underneath. So let's say don't apply, and that will add it underneath. This may take some time as there's quite a lot of content it's bringing over. So there it is there. So as we said there, we can, if we don't want that part, we can remove them, and we can remove as much as you want to keep the elements that we do like. So I like this section, so let's just remove this part above. So that is how you use the Elementor Library.